Now, as far as real estate, right? You want to do real estate
Mhm.
investing? That's what you want to do?
I do. Like I wholesale now. I done made when I'm active and putting my effort into it.
Mm-hmm.
Over the past year, I think I made like 6 grand. And that's with me not really even do. I made like 3 grand while I was in another state, and I just me and another guy, I call my partner. He helps me. We
Okay.
made like six off of it, so we just split it down the middle. Cause I brought, we just spend money here,
Mm-hmm.
and make it make sense for both of us. So I still do that now. I'm way more active in it now, and I have more knowledge of what I'm doing too.
Okay.
Uh, I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna make some more money off of it as long as I keep my head down and keep
Mm-hmm.
putting the effort into it.